I'm down for a nice butter landing. I don't know why the left engine is still burning. I actually put the fire out. At least I think I did. Okay, so the fire is finally out. We can see there are no particles coming out of the left engine, so it's actually dead. I do not have a lot of visibility. Let's not die. Now, sometimes I wonder how American Airlines. Now, sometimes I wonder how a seven. Now, sometimes I wonder how. Now, sometimes I wonder how an American 737 Jesus. Now, sometimes I wonder how an American Airlines 737 gets here, but that is a whole nother story to talk about. The thing about this airport is that it has a very, very steep approach angle. It's very similar to London City. You know, at normal airports, you have an approach angle, a glide slope angle of around 3 degrees. Here you have an approach angle of, oh, no. This did not happen. This airport has an approach angle of 4. Oh, wow, we're going 80 knots. Jesus Christ. Oh, no. Speed. I am speed. So, yeah, this airport has an approach angle of 4 degrees. Jesus Christ. I should really focus on flying. The aircraft. We don't use cheats here, though. London City also has an approach angle of around 4 degrees. As you can see right here, we are actually very, very low on the glide slope, even though this airport is far below, and we do have to descend a lot to get down. So, yeah, this is a very challenging airport. Those are not perfect conditions, you know, having one engine run in a friggin' hailstorm. At least we don't have to see structural damages here. Most probably the nose part of the plane would be just gone, and half of the wings would also be just gone. Oh no, flat overspeed, which will result in absolute death. Okay. Okay, now this is a very, very, very bad flight. Oh no. Okay, so part of our wing has actually separated, which is not good. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Smoothly. Did you just see that maneuver? I almost crashed into those trees, but I didn't because I'm a pro pilot. I'm a pro. Okay, now I have decided to land in water. Life is a disappointment. Let's try approaching Milano Airport. This thing has ILS Cat 3, so let's try actually landing in Autoland in Airbus A319. Alright, so here we are in the snowstorm. This does not look comfortable already. The FPS are horrible. This is gonna be quite an horrendous flight, to say the least. Let's do the ILS approach into here and see what the autopilot can do for us. Right, so here we are. We have spawned in. How do you disable the head shake thing? Right, the autopilot is now guiding this plane down to Earth. This is not looking like a good flight, but we're kind of still alive. Let's put the landing gear down and sit back, relax, eat some Coke, and drink some popcorn, and watch this plane land itself. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, hello, passengers. We are going through some minor turbulence. This thing is holding up quite well. Let's see how well this thing is going to land itself. I mean, I was maybe not able to do that, but that was because of a broken wing and engine. So, yeah, I'm still better than the autopilot, right? Meanwhile, the rain is heavy, very heavy, actually. It's coming down. Come on, more speed, full power. No. What have I done? I mean, we have not crashed yet. I don't want to land this. I just want to eat popcorn. Why does it want to go off? Come on. We might have to try this one again. You know, I'm a very pro pilot. Okay, nothing happened here, as always. And you know, obviously, a big snowstorm might also cause very, very low resolution. I mean, visibility. Let's get the visibility down. There we go. Less visibility. Oh, we cannot see anything. I think this was a bad idea. Oh, Jesus. We can't even see our own plane. Right, passengers, we are coming in for a butter landing. Don't worry. I mean, at this point, do we even need wipers? I mean, they don't really make sense anymore. So, okay, 2,500. This is all good. You only don't have passengers in this add-on. I think there would be if there were any added to the add-on. Oh, speed. Yes. Speed. No. Auto land has deactivated. Okay, I'm gonna do this like a real pro pilot now. I'm going to land this plane myself then. By following the ILS diamonds that we see on screen right here. Okay, we have 0 visibility. The only thing that we have is instruments, really. And we are kind of off to the right a lot. I don't feel comfortable. No, I don't see anything. This is hard. Alrighty. Oh, we're too low. Be too low. Holy bang ding out. Calm down. This is all good. This is all just fine. Perfect. Yeah, what did I tell you? Just calm down. I'm gonna land you now. Since you cannot do it yourself. Well, in fact, I probably just cannot activate it properly, but let's just go ahead and land. Oh, no. Turn left. Oh, yeah. Oh, we Might be a little there. Oh god. So we're not cheating. We're not skipping time at all. No. Alright, so we're perfectly on center line and on light slope again. Or maybe not. No, fly by wire. Oh, Jesus Christ. That was, it crashed. I mean, it kind of counts, doesn't it? Over the mountain. Yeah, retard indeed. Where is the runway? Oh, come on. The airport is right here. Okay, let's just taxi over to that tarmac. Look at that flight path. After I took over the controls of this aircraft. I mean, the engines have quite a high temperature, I would say, but this went totally fine. Now, yeah, this might have not worked with auto land, and we have actually not made a successful landing today, but we learned something new. That is, we should not fly the hail/snowstorm, especially when you have no navigation or autopilot. It's going to disappoint you. So, yeah, guys, thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you tomorrow. As always, good night.